Let's test you quickly. What is 6 plus 2 times 3? Is it 24 or 12? If you have ever been confused about which one is correct, then this video is exactly what you need, because today we are breaking down the order of operations step by step. By the end of this lesson, you will never get questions like this wrong again. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy clear and simple math lesson, make sure to like and subscribe to this video so you don't miss out. Let's get right into it. Alright, so in order of operation, what order of operation is a collection of rules that gives the correct sequence of steps for doing calculation. In mathematics, there are steps to take whenever you want to get um a particular thing done, a particular equation done. And the steps guiding are, first off, your bracket, first, and then your order, or some people call it your exponent, your indices. The next thing guiding it is division, and then you have multiplication, then finally addition, and then subtraction. So you can see, first off, you deal with the step, the brackets. After brackets in the equation, you deal with any indices or exponents that might be there, and then division, and then your multiplication, then your addition and your subtraction. Now, there are different acronyms that can be used to teach you the steps without too much cramming. And those acronyms, in most cases, are called BODMAS, some BIDMAS, or PEMDAS. So it means the same thing. The P in PEMDAS means parentheses. So you first start with your bracket, or in another word, parentheses, then your indices, which is also order of operation, order of indices. And then you go with your division, your multiplication, your addition, your subtraction. So you follow these steps. Now to solve this equation that was given there, 6 plus 2 times 3. 6 plus 2 times 3. As the rule says, you have to go first with your multiplication. So 3 times 2 is what? 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Those that chose 12, you are correct. Your answer is 12. And one thing I want you to note while solving order of operation is that division and multiplication are given equal priorities. Addition and subtraction too are also given equal priorities. The thing you can do is this: when you are solving, you have to solve from the left to the right. Whichever appears first in the equation, you have to solve from your left to the right. So you don't solve from right to the left, you solve from the left to the right. If you are given division and multiplication in one equation, or addition and subtraction in one equation, I'm going to show you further on how to solve this. No need to worry. So the first equation we are going to do as exercise will be this: 5 times 3 times 2. So everything is multiplication. So you know 5 times 3 is what? 15. And 15 times 2 is 30. So there we go. We have our answer. You can see now that I have everything as multiplication, I solved from my left down to my right. That's how you solve equations. Now, the next one we are going to be doing is this. For question 2, 2 plus 7 times 5. And according to BODMAS, or PEMDAS, anyone that you're using in your school. So according to BODMAS, you see that your multiplication comes first before addition. So you work on this. 7 times 5 is 35. So 2 plus 35, and your answer is 37. Again, let's do one more. We have over here 3, 6 plus 7. According to BODMAS, you have to take care of the bracket first before any other thing in the equation. So we have to solve what is inside the bracket. So we have 3 bracket. 6 plus 7 is what? Yes, 6 plus 7 is 13. And 13 times 3, because your bracket also means multiplication. Your bracket is off, parenthesis, off too. So 13 times 3, 13 bracket 3, our answer is 36. And that's how you get that. So if this is making sense so far, go ahead and like this video. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more simple mathematics like this. Now let me give a few questions to solve. That will be 72 divided by 9 plus 7. And for question 2, we have over here 9 minus 32 divided by 4. So please feel free to pause this video so that you can work it out on your own. Alright, let's continue from there. So the first question says 72 divided by 9 plus 7. How do you solve this? According to BODMAS, your division comes first before your addition. So 72 divided by 9. And what is 72 divided by 9? 8. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. So whoever got 15 is correct. Now to the next question, we have over here 9 minus 32 divided by 4. And we know that our division comes before subtraction. So 32 divided by 4 is, what's 32 divided by 4? Yes, 8. 8. So we have here 9 minus 8, which is 1. And that's our final answer. 1. Alright. Let's do the last question for the day before we end this lesson. So that will be 5 plus 16 divided by 7 minus 2. To this equation, again, we follow the acronym because it's more easier than trying to cram everything step by step. So the acronym is a short way of learning the order of operations. And you can see there that, again, your bracket is the first thing you are going to sort out whenever you are solving. So 16 plus 15, that's 21. 21 is still in the bracket, divided by 7 minus 2. What's the next thing we are going to work out? Division. So 21 divided by 7, that's 3. 3 minus 2, and your answer is 1. That's how you solve for this. So you can see that order of operation is not a complex topic, and you have also seen that there's no need for guessing or confusion. Just make sure to follow the acronym. Always follow the step: bracket, order, multiplication, and division. Then addition and subtraction. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe for more math lesson made simple. And if you want more practice, check out my next video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.